An air compressor is a handy piece of equipment to have on hand to pump up your tyres out in the bush. And they are simple to use. Here's what you'll need. An air compressor. Attach the quick connector hose to the compressor. Now you can choose whether you want to use the screw-on valve or the thumb lock valve. If you choose the screw-on valve, it's already attached to the air hose. If you choose the thumb lock valve, simply screw the end of it into the screw-type valve connector on the hose. Ensure there is a good seal. Tip: the screw-on valve connector provides better accuracy, whereas the thumb lock valve is more convenient. Make sure your car is running. Connect the compressor to the battery terminals of your vehicle, positive first and negative following after. Then firmly attach the appropriate quick connector valve to the tyre valve. Turn the compressor switch on to begin inflating. Then turn off the compressor once the desired pressure has been reached. Always operate the compressor within the maximum pressure rating of the compressor. Safely disconnect the hose from the first tyre before moving on to any others that might need inflating. When finished, turn off the compressor before disconnecting it from the battery. And finally, pack it away. And now, you've done it right.
Autobarn.
Top Gear, low prices.